I want to thank each and every one for being here this evening. This thing is so important. We're going to party with a purpose. Okay, this is the most important thing that you can do probably for the rest of this year. Okay, the Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans at home, the JAHJAH Foundation. We welcome each and every one of you for being here. This is all happy, but this is about some serious causes, some serious diseases that are afflicting our brothers and sisters on the island of Jamaica. Okay, come back to Jamaica, you see the commercials, you see the nice hotels on the sandy beach, but we have to help those who don't have anything. We have to help those workers who work in those hotels, and we know how much they get paid. 6,000 Jamaican dollars, which is equal to less than $100 US dollars, okay? So we have to support them, and just know that the money you give here tonight is going to some real good causes. We have a number of initiatives that we're doing, and we're going to need your help. We have t-shirts. We're selling t-shirts for $10. Someone is saying, how can you be selling t-shirts for $10? Because we want you guys to get the word out there. I don't want to have any t-shirts left tonight. They're $10. The hats are $15. I don't want to go home with anything tonight, because then I would have failed my people in Jamaica, okay? Please support the initiative. We have raffles. We have a door prize for all those people who came out here tonight. Your name will go on the raffle. You can win a two-night stay in the Grand Palladium in Lucy, in a beautiful island of Jamaica, okay? And we have lots of gifts and giveaways through the raffle. Support the raffle. 1 for 5, 5 for 20. I don't want to go home with any tickets tonight. I believe in you. I thank you guys for being here, and let's make this happen. Thank you.
My name is Andrea Clark, and I'm supporting the cause because there are many people in Jamaica who are in need of medical attention, and people like us have to help them since we are able to.
Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Beckett. I'm an ER doc that worked with Trevor, and I had the fortunate opportunity to go down and work with him on the last trip working with the JAHJAH Foundation, and feel very honored to be part of the team. It's a wonderful thing he's doing. I'm looking forward to the next trip. Got a very skillful team we're going to bring down and do whatever we can to help the wonderful people of Jamaica out. Trevor's got a great organization. A great thing he's doing here. So proud to be a member, and do whatever I can to assist with the efforts. So.
I'm Gloria, and I think it's a wonderful organization. Anytime that we can take a day out of our own lives and help others is a very important thing to give to everybody.
All right, my name is Jason. I'm a friend of Dr. Dixon. I've known him for almost 2 years now, and I believe what he's doing is a great thing for the Jamaican cause and all the kids back in Jamaica. So I support him 100%, and all the best for him.
My name is Janet Hay, and I'm supporting the organization because I think it's a wonderful organization to support our Jamaicans and friends and family.
My name is Fern. I think this organization is doing a worthy cause because they're helping people who are in need, and I love to help people, so I will support you in whatever way I can.
My name is Sharon, and I'm happy to be a part of this. I'm a Jamaican. I'm from Clarendon.
Okay, good.
So it's a good thing that we could help. Like they say, you're here and you're helping at home. Thank you.
Well, as a Jamaican who's living abroad, who has lots of family at home, I think it's a good opportunity for myself, others like myself, people who aren't from Jamaica but still love the island and the people, to give back to the island, to give back in a meaningful way and something that's going to uplift the community.
My name is Leslie Ratty. I've been with the organization for about 6 months, almost a year. And I think the organization is a great idea. I met Dr. Dixon because I wanted to do something personally in Jamaica, and I joined his team because my heart is definitely in Jamaica. My heart is to help the people in Jamaica. So being here is definitely a privilege and an honor, and it's a privilege to be working with Dr. Dixon.
Hi, my name is Erica. I've been a member of the organization for about 3 years. I went last year for the JAHJAH Foundation trip. Me and Jessica both went. It was amazing. We had such a good experience. We went and we helped the people of Jamaica. We saw the progress that Dr. Dixon Dixon made for the Kingston Hospital. He put down floors, he gave them ultrasound machines, he gave them lots of OBGYN tables, and we saw it firsthand for ourselves. Be involved in the organization, it's a great cause. Thank you.
Well, my name is Marsha Brown, and this is Bridget, my best friend. This is our first event, really, but I've heard about the event for a while, and I think, I want to be here to support. I think it's a great charity organization to support, the orphanage and the hospitals in Jamaica. I think there should be more organizations like this one.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I actually think it's a great thing that we're doing for Jamaica, and we're definitely representing the right way. And you know what? With positive events like that, we'll get more young people involved in educating them, and just let them be aware that we do have people that live in the island, and we have to show them how to build on what they have.
My name is Naomi. I work with Dr. Dixon. This year I had a lot of colleagues that went to Jamaica, and they had a great time. I hope to go with the next group that's coming up, but I know Dr. Dixon is very passionate about this cause, and you can just see how happy he is to see everybody here tonight. So it's definitely for a great thing.
My name is Carrie. I'm a member of the JAHJAH Foundation. We did our first in-service in Jamaica. It's quite fulfilling, and you can help a lot of people, a lot of young people in Jamaica, a lot of families that need help. So joining this foundation will give you a sense of fulfillment.
I'd encourage people to join the organization because they're doing big things. They're helping the people of Jamaica, and there's a lot of people that need our help over there, and we have the resources to help. So I would encourage everybody to come and help support. Come help the JAHJAH Foundation.
Hi, my name is Aisha. I work with Trevor. I've been with the organization for about 2 or 3 years now. It's a wonderful, wonderful organization. It's a great way to give back. Jamaica's a beautiful country. Last year I was there on the mission, and we traveled throughout the country helping the people in Trelawney, and it was a beautiful, beautiful experience. If you're looking for a way to give back and just help the community, this is it. JAHJAH Foundation!
Hi, I'm Heather Pratt. It's my first time at the event, but it's a worthy cause, so I'm here with my husband to support Dr. Trevor.
As you know, this is an event that is sponsored by Dr. Trevor Dixon and his cohort. It's a special endeavor because what it does is it helps Jamaicans at home and Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans abroad. And I tell you this, when we have professionals who can dedicate themselves and their time to come forth and do something like this, it is necessary that we support. So I'm happy that I'm here now for the second year. I'm impressed because obviously the bar has been risen, and there are a lot more people here this year than last year. I can just imagine next year we're going to have to rent out upstairs, and I mean a second floor to this. And it just shows you that the kind of work that Dr. Trevor Dixon and his group are doing is indeed resonating. And I'm honored as the advisory board member of Jamaican Diaspora to be part of this, and I totally and wholeheartedly endorses it.
Well, here we are at the JAHJAH Foundation fundraiser in the height of summer. The vibe is great, the atmosphere is eclectic, we're enjoying every second of it, and the beautiful thing about it is that it's all in the name of charity. So we want to encourage continued support for JAHJAH, Jamaicans abroad, helping Jamaicans at home. It's reciprocity. One hand washes the other. Yes.
Thank you personally.
Yeah, man, thank you. Thank you.
One of the real Jamaicans who fight for the cause every day on 106 FM in Jamaica. And he came here to support us, and we support you in your efforts. Thank you.
Great. It's a pleasure.
We have a lot of things on board, and hopefully, I'm sure you'll be a part of it and be helping us get the word out.
Anytime.
Yeah, thank you.
You just say the word.
Thank you.